Hey everyone, so we went with the car to a track day and we just came back, and the first thing in the first episode we're gonna install one of our billet expansion tanks, coolant tank, however you want to call it. We now offer it in different colors. You can get green or black or red or whatever color you like, we can do it. Today we're gonna install a raw finish one on our car. It's the first one we're gonna do. When you race this car in a track day, it's very hot. The OEM cap is just 0.9 bars. It usually just starts to spill coolant. So this one comes with a 1.3 bar cap as standard. And we're gonna install this billet tank. It's a bit larger than OEM, so we got a bit extra coolant. We also got this clear view window, so we can know exactly where to fill our coolant. So we got all the tools we need. We got the brackets. We got some spare Toyota OEM coolant, and we're ready to go. So let's start. So now the first thing, we're gonna install the mounts before we go to the car. So we got some stainless steel mounts that we supply with the kit. These are 3 mil thick, very strong, will never bend or break. You want to install them nicely. If you don't have a torque wrench, you can just close them hand tight. However, if you do have a torque wrench, that will be preferred. Either way, it'll be fine. You can put some Loctite if you like. You don't have to. Second mount, this one is for wiring. So the OEM wiring sits on this. So we still made it so the OEM wiring is not loose. So this is not a structural bracket. All stainless steel hardware, so even the bolts, everything is nice, so nothing gonna corrode. Which goes on the bottom, goes like this. Obviously all the bolts come with a kit. Don't over torque the bolts, they can snap, so better to use a torque wrench or by hand, but don't overdo it. It's not a crazy thing. The second thing we're going to install is the two fittings. So we got a big one and a small one. Big one goes on the bottom. I'm gonna put a fitting here. We got an O-ring on it, so you wanna close it so it sits flat. The O-ring has to seal. Second fitting goes on top. They're ORB6 on one end and the barb on the other end. You can switch those if you want to use N6 fittings with the N6 hose, with a braided hose. But these that's supplied with the kit will work with the OEM hoses. So now we're done, and now we're gonna go to the car. So now it's time to take off the OEM one and put the new one. So first thing first, you can obviously do it at home, or you can go to a professional garage to do it. I would recommend going to a garage, but here we demonstrate how you can do it yourself. So you're gonna take this thing out. You can put it right here. The first thing, there's coolant inside here, so you wanna take it out of the tank. Better off not splashing around, but yeah. So there's a connector here for the AC. You wanna take this one out first, so you can take the cables out. The hose, the bottom hose is kind of mounted on the windshield washer, so you want to take that out a bit, just like this. So, and we're gonna take a 10 mil socket. We're gonna take a 10 mil socket. There's two screws, one on the bottom of the tank and one on the top. Keep those bolts. We're gonna reuse the OEM bolts on this. Now it's time to take off the two hoses. Now when you do it, you want to take the hose out, hold it up tight, because it's gonna coolant be spilling. In this case not, but the bottom one will. So yeah. So we took the tank out. We did spill some, but it's fine. We're gonna clean later. So we're gonna take the new tank, and before we mount it, because it's gonna be hard, we're gonna take the bottom hose first, and we're gonna install it first. So we put it just here, and we're gonna check that it's locked tight. It's good. We can also now put the top one just before we mount it. here, just like that, strong. Now we're gonna slide it in, just behind the AC, try not to break anything. Put it here, and this hose click inside this, and this one here. And the wiring, which I told you about, is going just in this bracket, just here. And it clicks in. I'm gonna get our bolt, first bolt here, and the second bolt. I'll lock it in place first. Don't overdo it. Sits down good. Put everything in. Don't forget to connect your AC back. That's good. Now we're good. Everything's locked in place. Everything's good to go. We can transfer the cap from the OEM hose to here. And we're gonna start filling our tank. So now we're gonna look at our clear glass, and we're gonna put some coolant in until we're good. I'm gonna fill this up until we're gonna see. So we're gonna put in the, until we see in the clear glass. Okay, see, now it's full. Now it's full. Should go around half of this. So if we go on top, it's maximum, the minimum is here. So we're right there. We're gonna start the car, let it get hot, and see if we need to refill it a bit more. So we're gonna wait until the car bleeds some air out and see everything's okay. We're gonna then install the cup, and we're done. So yeah, that's it for now. We installed the Billet expansion tank, and this car is gonna go through more mods, and we're gonna test it on the track, so it's gonna be fun. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.